Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to log out on Lazada. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to log out on Lazada. Maybe you want to log out because you have another account that you want to use, or maybe you're having some issues with your account, so you just want to log out and log in again so that the problem could be fixed. Or maybe you don't need the account any longer, so you just want to log out. Or maybe you're just going on a break, so you want to do it. Or there could be any other reason for you to log out from your Lazada account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account, because if you're not logged in, then you couldn't log out. So you have to keep that in mind. And once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app get open, first you will see this advertisement, and after that you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top, different categories, a lot of products on the home page, and few options at the bottom. Right now we're in the For You section, therefore you could see all these products and different categories as on your interface screen. Other than that, we have other options at the bottom as well. Like this one is a feed where you could also see different products but not with categories. Here you will see all the chats, messages, and alerts. And here you will see all things that are added into your cart, because this is your cart option. And the last, we have an account option. Once you click on it, you will get into the details of your account. There you could see details at the top of your account, like your username and your profile icon. And other than that, we have some other options as well, like settings icon at the top right side of the screen, and some of the options almost all over the screen. Here we will go to this settings option. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings, and there you will see these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, at the last we have this option logout. Once you click on it, it will ask you that you really want to log out. So here you just have to simply click on logout and you will get logged out of your account. You don't have to worry about that, what will happen to your data, your products that you have purchased. These will be lost. No, nothing will be lost. Once you log out, everything will be your account, and if you again want to get access to it, just simply click on login, enter the things that you entered when you were creating account, and you will get back to your account and the stuff that is in it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can log out of Lazada app or account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.